Hi, it's Matt from the Sydney Home Show. We're here in front of Wood Naturally Better stand. We are promoting the use of timber. So come and visit us. I'll just show you around our stand. We've got a whole bunch of pamphlets, such as some of the finest designs around in Australia, and we've got examples of those using great, fantastic products of timber. We've got a whole bunch of examples of timber in our stand, various species, tallow wood, ironbark, red and grey. We've got cypress pine, interesting products such as OSB board. And if we go over to the other OSB board here, and if we go over to the other side of the stand, we've got some beams over in the corner which we use, and we've got different types of structural beams, examples of glue laminated beams, treated pine, pine, glue lam, cypress, LVL, insulated panel, and finally cross-laminated timber. Basically, everything that you need for timber in your home, we've got an example of. Come and see us. We've got heaps of advice, lots of technical experts. So what are you waiting for? Come over and see us. Thanks.